Hello, and welcome to Mark's Excel Tips. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a weekly timesheet template in Excel 365. Let's get started. If you find value in this video, please give it a like to help others find our videos. You can download this video tutorial as a PDF by following the link in the video description below. To start, click on File. On the right side of the home screen, click on More Templates. In the search box on the left, type in Weekly Timesheet. Hit Enter, or click on the search icon. Excel will load several templates for weekly timesheets. Let's click on the first one. In the window that opens, Excel tells you about this template and what it is best used for. You can use the left and right arrows to scroll through the different weekly timesheet templates. Each template will give you a brief description on what it can be used for. When you find the template that you like, click on Create. Excel will load your weekly timesheet template, ready for you to use. Cell A1 tells you that with this template, total hours and total pay are automatically calculated. To add additional timesheets for other employees, simply click in the top left corner of the workbook and press Ctrl+C to copy the timesheet. Next, click on the plus sign to add a new sheet. Click in the top left corner of the new sheet, and press Ctrl+V to paste in the new timesheet. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.